Greetings from RHRSwag.com. Nate here to go through a few features and function of one of our new favorite tonneau covers, the Pace Edwards Ultragroove tonneau cover. Now this is the all aluminum construction, basically a giant tank tread on the back of your pickup bed. So as far as security, it doesn't get any better than this. It is also available in an armor tech. And what that is still an aluminum design, but it has a nice vinyl top for a classic appearance. The Ultragroove is going to include these side rails with T-slots that allow you to do mounting of racks, any kind of hauling accessories that you have that mount into that standard T-slot. This is going to be a perfect solution for you there. Great for moving those racks on and off. It makes everything a lot more simple than some of those bolt-on installations. Now, as far as function, we've got an opener right here on the driver's side panel. Simply engage that, and you have full bed access. It goes into a super sleek canister that isn't going to take up too much of your bed space. So even in fully open position, a lot of people are kind of concerned, well, aren't I losing a bunch of bed space? And absolutely not. Every click is a position that you can stop it in. Full bed cover again, just give it a tug, and all the way back it comes. Again, absolutely great design, super sleek to any pickup bed. Whatever your make, model, and year, we'll find a fit for you. Come ahead and join us at RHRSwag.com.